Hey, okay, what's she doing with tissues? Okay, is she going to make those type of roses? I don't know. That's an art too. You have to just make small pieces and it will give you a complete look. Okay, she's just folding them up and finer. Okay, those creases on paper make you feel okay. It's giving those type of rose type of things. Okay, just rubbering up so that it looks petal. Ah, that looks amazing. That play, okay, what is this guy is doing? Okay, he's using color on this. I don't know, that's a mirror or something. Okay, that looks like sun. Okay, that looks like some greenery or something. He's just using one finger and creating those. Okay, and free play. Okay, what's that? It'll Fevicol again. Okay, that's clay maybe. Okay, what's that? Bat or something? Oh no, that's face. That's body of someone. Okay, adding eyes to it. That maybe that's a clay. Okay. Okay, what's the final result of this? Okay, makeup, adding makeups to it. Okay, again next. Okay, maybe. Oh, okay. Now finally it looks like something or someone. Okay, hairs. Oh, adding those details. Oh, that detail look too good. Okay, that's a little lady or okay. Those details looks too cool, man. What are those? Okay, hands. Wow. I'm literally going mind blown through those details, man. How many details he has applied, or he or she, maybe I don't know. Looking too amazing. Play, okay. This guy is again, and his expression looks completely like those characters, animated characters. This guy is copying play, okay. That's in circle, circle, and circle, and then just shading it. What's that? Okay, that looks like pigeon or something bird. Okay, with the same single pencil, he or she, I don't know, who is someone, maybe she, and is creating those shades. Look at that. Comment, but of course you can you can add comment. Okay, just use your pencil sideways and you can create those shading things. Okay, that's an road a basic. There are so many people have made this type of basic that some road is going on something side something trees and like and or sea or something, I don't know. That's a basic one. Okay, sun, small bird.